Halo, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Rumah Belajar Nabata channel. Today we are going to learn how to make Valentine's Day card and how to write the greetings. First of all, you need to prepare scissors and then glue gun, origami paper, glitter ever foam, and cover paper, and also paper glue, kraft or Simpson paper, colored marker, jute rope, and paper hole puncher. First of all, take the red and pink paper and then fold them into 3 parts. Glue this part of paper and attach it with the red one. Then, cut the kraft paper and make 3 love shapes. Now attach them in this part. You can also decorate this card with this style of origami paper. And then glue them. Okay, now for the cover, we use this kind of paper, kraft paper, and make the love shape again. Then glue a half of this paper in this part. And decorate again with glitter ever foam. To attach this eva foam, I use glue gun. And also, I use the origami paper again to decorate the cover. Now let's write the greeting Happy Valentine's Day with colored marker. Okay, now let's write the greeting. The first part, you need to write for whom this card for. And then the content, you can write Happy Valentine's Day and your hope. And the last part, don't forget to write your name. In this part, you can put your picture and your best friend picture on it. Then make a hole and put the rope into it. Okay, our card is done. You can make and write this greeting card by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.